Ever heard one test is worth 1,000 expert opinions? Here's the test. I printed sunglasses using 3 different filaments: PLA, PETG, and PAHT-CF. I tossed in a regular store-bought pair too. Like every good experiment, you always have a control. I left them in my dashboard on a hot day in the sun. The temperature outside, 105 degrees. The temperature inside, I really don't know. My thermometer stopped working. Now you'd think the winner would be obvious. The higher temperature filaments should do better than the lower temperature filaments. Not so fast though. Stick around because things get real weird. Let's look at PLA first. Prints around 210 degrees, softens around 60 degrees Celsius. PETG prints around 240 degrees Celsius and softens around 80 degrees Celsius. PAHT carbon fiber prints at 270 degrees Celsius, softens at about 120 degrees Celsius. On paper, PETG should outperform PLA, PAHT should outperform PLA and PETG, but reality said something else. Let's head out to the vehicle now and see what happened. Can you guess which sunglasses are which filament? And which is the control? The control pair of sunglasses? No effect. They're $100 sunglasses. I wouldn't expect any effect. Next up, can you guess which one's PLA and which one is PETG? PLA kind of did what I expected. It's a little bit soft to touch, and you can actually bend pieces of the sunglasses that will permanently deform them. Had I not touched them, there was only slight warping to the frame, almost to where you could twist it back and it would probably still work as a pair of sunglasses. Over time, might have some troubles. And here's the shocker. PETG, the filament that I like to use because of its supposed heat temperature tolerance, turned out to be a mangled mess. It looks like a pile of spaghetti on my dashboard. All these years I trusted PETG. In fact, I tolerated PETG because it is a little bit harder to print than PLA. PAHT carbon fiber. Honestly, rock solid. Didn't flinch, didn't warp, and even when I tried to bend it, it did not bend. Just sat there judging the others. So there it is. PLA, drooped. PETG, totally destroyed. PAHT carbon fiber, not even affected. Now I've got to ask, did this surprise you? If so, drop a comment. If you'd like me to roast any other filaments, let me know that too. And hey, if you actually like these sunglasses and want to print a pair of your own, you can find them in the links below. I have them on Maker World and Thingiverse. Just don't print them in PETG. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and God bless.